Hey guys, this is Savannah just showing you how to use add-ons, a feature on Google Slides. So add-ons are really helpful because if we take a quick look, they give you lots of different options of what you can add to Google Slides to make them more effective. Today I selected the add-on, as you can see here, Top Stock Photos from Google. So if you click on that and click Insert Picture, over to the right, you'll see a search frame appear. So let's say I wanted to add a picture of cats to my presentation about To Kill a Mockingbird. Here will appear a bunch of free stock photos that you can use. Something that's really important, especially as we're making presentations for an educational setting, is making sure that we're abiding by copyright and licensing laws. And this allows you to find cute stock photos that are free to use and you don't have to worry about copyright issues in your presentation. So if I wanted to use one, I would just click on it and insert it right there. And then as you click on the image, you can scale it to whatever shape you need and move it to wherever you want on the slide. Of course, I'm not going to be adding this since this presentation is completed, but it is really handy to have when you need images for specific teaching principles and you want to make sure that you can find images that work within copyright law. So there's just a quick video of how to use the Google add-on called Top Stock Photos. Would highly recommend it if you ever need a basic, simple stock photo. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.